Diatomaceous earth dust can reduce fleas and external parasites in rodent burrows, but it is not a reliable standalone method for rodent control. When using food-grade diatomaceous earth for burrow treatment, apply it with a bellows duster or narrow-tipped applicator to place a light, even coating inside the burrow entrance and just below the surface where fleas and larvae are most likely to be present. Wear a snug-fitting N90 respirator or well-fitting particulate mask, eye protection, and gloves to avoid inhalation and eye irritation, since the fine dust is an irritant even when food grade. Do not force large volumes of dust deep into tunnels because excessive powder will compact, reduce contact with insects, and create a hazard for you and non-target wildlife. Combine dust application with targeted trapping or mechanical exclusion of rodents to address the animal reservoir, since eliminating fleas on burrow surfaces without removing the animals often yields only temporary reductions in parasite load. Treat household pets with veterinarian-approved flea treatments, and follow label instructions carefully to interrupt the flea life cycle inside the home. Finally, keep yards tidy, remove brush and food sources, and seal building entry points to lower reinfestation pressure and make any dust application more effective. Common mistakes include over-reliance on diatomaceous earth as a sole control method, which rarely eliminates rodent populations and delays more effective actions. Pair dust use with trapping and burrow exclusion to stop reproduction and recolonization. Another frequent issue is poor personal protective equipment, leading to respiratory or eye irritation. Wear fitted particulate protection, glasses, and gloves, and avoid windy days to reduce exposure. A third problem is applying too much product or packing it into tunnels, which reduces insect contact and increases environmental mess. Use light, targeted puff applications at entrances, and check after a few days before reapplying. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and a community of peers to share real-world experiences about pest control approaches, including DIY dust use and professional exclusion work. We help contractors find jobs and homeowners find practical advice and local service options, and our discussion community lets users compare tactics, ask questions, and read about what worked for others.